Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will all fine and safe at your homes. And today our topic is the continuity of the previous lecture, input devices. Today our topic is point and draw devices. So let's start our topic. Point and draw devices. Point and draw device is an input device which helps to rapidly point and select an icon to display on the screen. Popular input devices are trackball, joystick, mouse, light pen, touchscreen, and digitizer. Trackball. A trackball works just like a mouse. Trackball contains only one ball instead of different buttons like left or right, etc. Trackball uses this ball to move the cursor position from one location to the other. Trackball neither uses any such pad nor covers much space. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device. Joystick is mostly used by children to play their games. It consists of a handle which can be used to move the object position left, right, or up and down. Joystick can also be attached with a television set. It uses USB or special port supplied with sound card for connection. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. A user can move pointer very rapidly on the screen with the help of mouse. Mouse controls the movement of the cursor position. There is variety of mouse available in the market, for example, wheel mouse, laser mouse, wireless mouse, etc. Wheel mouse. Wheel mouse contains left-right buttons and a wheel button at the middle. Wheel button is used to scroll the pages up and down very rapidly. Wheel mouse scroll up and down very rapidly. Next is laser mouse. Laser mouse uses the laser beams for its movement. Laser mouse does not need any mouse pad. Laser mouse is automatically activated as it is attached with the computer. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device which is used for making drawings. Light pen rapidly moves on the screen just like an ordinary pen, but it works with electricity. Light pen does not need any alphabetic keys. Touch screen. Touch screen enables the user to touch the data directly by using fingers within the display area. Touch screen is very simple and easy to use. Touch screen is currently used in mobile phones. Digitizer. Digitizer is used to convert maps, pictures and drawings into a digital form to store in the computer system. A digitizer consists of a digitizing tablet and stylus pen. Digitizing tablet is a flat surface on which stylus or a pen is moved to draw shapes, pictures and maps, etc. Speech recognition devices. Speech recognition allows a person to input data to the computer through speech. Speech recognition devices convert the human voice into text. This device is especially helpful for disabled persons. Speech recognition has the capability to first recognize words with the help of the software or a device and then convert it into a text or a command. Types of speech recognition systems. Single word speech recognition system. These systems recognize only single word, just like hello, yes, no at one time. Continuous speech recognition system. This type of speech recognition system recognizes more than one word or complete sentence like hello, how are you at one time. Uses of speech recognition system. speech recognition system are especially helpful for disabled person who cannot write. It helps people to feel comfortable in speech rather than writing. It facilitates a user in a situation where he or she is unable to edit or review a long text. It also helps the user who is quite busy and does not want to type the data due to the shortage of time. Data scanning devices. Image scanner. An image scanner translates the printed documents into the electronic format and stores them into the computer. Imported documents can be preserved into an electronic form by using image scanner for later use. An image scanner are further classified into the following two types. Flatbed scanner. Flatbed scanner is like a photocopier machine with a glass sheet. Flatbed scanner are also called desktop scanner. In a flatbed scanner, the paper is placed on a glass sheet and a light source is moved horizontally from one line to the other line. The process is repeated until all the lines are completed. Handheld scanners. Handheld scanners work like a flatbed scanner, but it works manually by the user itself. For scanning the document or a product, the scanner is dragged slowly on a paper to scan the image. Flatbed scanners are mostly used in shops to scan the price of the product. Optical character recognition. Optical character recognition is also called optical character reader. Optical character reader used a software called OCR software. OCR software, the scanner first creates the image of the documents and then the OCR software converts that image into an ASCII text. Computer interpret ASCII text as letters, numbers and special characters. Optical mark recognition or optical mark reader. Optical mark reader has the capability to recognize the pre-printed marks either of pen or pencil. Optical mark reader is specifically helpful for making objective type questions. The student marks the answer sheet by filling or darkening the circles, oval or square. This printed answer sheet is fed into the computer and the grading is done by the using OMR. BCR. BCR or the barcode reader. It is normally used in shops, grocery stores, etc. This device contains the photoelectric cells that reads barcode consisting of lines having different thicknesses. BCR helps shopkeeper to analyze the price of the item immediately. MICR or magnetic ink character reader. MICR is used to read the magnetically encoded characters. MICR is a system that provides a full alphanumeric recognition of printed or handwritten character by simply scanning the form. A user scans the data through a scanner while are recognized by an image of the OCR system. The MICR converts the image into a machine-readable characters. Electronic card reader. ECR or electronic card reader is used to scan e-card, smart card like Visa card or bank debit card, etc. An ECR reads the memory card of ATM or debit card or Visa card, etc. The memory card is in the form of a black strip which is used through an ECR machine. Today, so far we have discussed point and draw devices, scanning devices and some scanners also discussed. I hope you have cleared all the topics that we have discussed today. Fi amanillah and Allah Hafiz.